Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. A new report says cyber attacks are stronger and faster than they've ever been. Breakout times, that's how long it takes a cybercriminal to move around your network after getting in, have plummeted to 62 minutes on average. Last year, it was 84 minutes. A new record breakout time of just over 2 minutes has been recorded. That's barely enough time to grab a coffee, let alone mount a defense. It gets worse. 34 new cybercriminal groups have started targeting businesses like yours, and they're smarter and more sophisticated than ever, trying to get your people to click a link in a phishing email which will take them to a fake login page, or pretending to be someone your team trusts. This is called social engineering. There are so many ways to protect your business, including password managers, multi-factor authentication, and smart cybersecurity software. Let us tell you exactly what we're recommending right now to keep your business safe. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.